In the previous lecture, we learned about mental models and how they influenced how we communicate. We also witnessed how environmental factors influence the communication process. We will continue to examine these features of the communication process, but we will do so using a systems thinking lens. Systems thinking is one of many theories used by communication scholars to understand the communication process. Let's watch an introductory video.
Communication is a field of study that employs both theory and tools to analyze and enhance communication in various contexts of interaction, such as interpersonal, organizational, and so forth. To achieve the goal of being able to analyze and enhance communication in various contexts, both communication scholars and practitioners rely on numerous theories to explain how these interactions work. As you can see from this website, there's an abundance of communication theories. One theory that has been used to study organizational communication, family communication, and interpersonal communication is called systems theory, which is also known as systems thinking. Systems thinking is a paradigm on how to view the world. By learning about systems thinking this semester, it'll help you create a foundation on how to analyze and evaluate the communication process and life in general from a perspective that you probably have never contemplated before. So be an open system and enjoy the journey this semester.